innocence in court, and now we know the date it could happen.
It's just part of what came out from a hearing in Lexington County Court today. That's the first since the state Supreme Court granted the disgraced lawyer a brand new trial. Now, Murdaugh himself came in an orange prison jumpsuit, shackled at his arms and legs. Just one of the issues the defense brought up during this scheduling hearing. Now, the defense saying there could be potential jurors watching these hearings and it may sway them. But prosecutors from the Attorney General's office say it's policy for any inmate in court. He was not getting any special treatment. Murdaugh's team also asked for a laptop for Alec to use in prison so he could look at the evidence as well as documents in his own defense. Judge Deborah McCaslin says she actually called the warden, who said that was not something he would be comfortable with. The court did allow more time and more people connected to the legal team to visit the prison and spend time talking about this case. The defense wanting more DNA testing on the evidence found under one of Maggie Murdaugh's fingernails. And while it was determined not to be Alec's DNA, SLED did not say who it may have belonged to. It's part of what Murdaugh's lawyers say is a new batch of evidence they need time to look over.
Ultimately, there's absolutely no evidence that Maggie Murdaugh was in a struggle with anyone, that she had any sort of defensive wounds, that she was scratched any sort of attacker. And we also know that it's very common with how sensitive touch DNA is. We're constantly shedding DNA and picking up DNA from others by shaking hands and doorknobs and all the rest of it. So, this is a bit of a red herring.
There was a shell casing under Maggie Murdaugh's body from the gun that killed her. I mean, that shell casing and that gun had to be in very close proximity. Maggie Murdaugh's cell phone was missing from the crime scene. Was DNA transferred at that point in time? And so we don't think it's a red herring. We think it's very important.
In the end, the DNA evidence issue was tabled for now, as was any more discussion about a change of venue, which is be moving the case out of Colleton County. Both sides said they actually talked about this even before the hearing. It seemed like both agreed a new county court may be best to make sure there are no issues this time around in and out of the courtroom. Now, the judge has set a next hearing for August 14th, and even bigger news, a tentative trial date set for April 5th of 2027. Judge McCaslin said she actually wants to stick to that date or as close to that date as possible. Of course, you can see our full coverage on this month-long process and the judge's decision for a retrial on our website, wsav.com/Murdaugh Appeal.
In Bullitt County, a murder trial